with a lot of love and gratitude, and with much discipline and even more endurance. Congratulations and thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Diane Manzano. Before we recite the Florence Nightingale Pledge, the Nightingale Pledge originally created in 1893 by a committee chaired by Mr. Dretter. It is traditionally cited by nursing graduates. History was made during the Crimean War when Florence took 38 women to Turkey to nurse sick and wounded British soldiers. Because of her selfless duty during the Crimean War, Florence Nightingale became known as the Lady with the Lamp. As a tribute to Florence's dedication, the lamp icon became symbolic of nursing. May I have the graduates and faculty please stand up? And may I please have all the graduates put their candle lamps on? The lamp will always shine brightly as a symbol of the care and devotion the nurse administers to the sick and injured in the practice of nursing. Graduates, raise your right hand. With confidence, let us profess the Florence Nightingale Pledge. I solemnly pledge before God and in the presence of this assembly to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family matters coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty, I will endeavor to aid the physician in his or her work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Congratulations, nursing graduates of May 2010. Please, everybody, stick around. We have refreshments and food at the Donahue Center right beside the chapel. You'll see balloons. We have enough food to feed everybody.
Wow.
Now, may I please have all the audience remain seated as the new generation of nurses of 2010 parade out to the real world. Now it's time to party!
Time to party!